Hey, if you've ever had an amazing app idea but felt stuck because you don't know how to code, today's video is going to change everything for you. We're diving into Apps Built with AI, a breakthrough system that shows you how to build a web app without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard that right. No coding, no expensive developers, no months of waiting. Just your idea, AI tools, and a simple step-by-step process. Think about it. For years, building apps felt like something only tech founders or big startups could do. You needed developers, huge budgets, and tons of technical knowledge. That's why so many business ideas never made it past the dream stage. But now, AI has completely flipped the script. With the right guidance, anyone, entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, even complete beginners, can turn an idea into a working software product. And that's exactly what Apps Built with AI is designed to help you do. So what is Apps Built with AI? It's a live educational summit and training package that teaches you how to build apps and software products using AI tools without coding experience. The creators designed it to be beginner-friendly, practical, and focused on execution. Instead of overwhelming you with technical jargon, it gives you prompts, templates, and walkthroughs that guide AI to do the heavy lifting for you. Here's what you'll get when you join. Create your own software app training, a mini course that walks you through choosing an idea, planning, building with AI, setting up payments, and launching publicly. Ultimate GPT Niche Finder helps you discover profitable app ideas and underserved markets so you're not guessing what to build. Top 50 App Ideas PDF, a bonus list of pre-researched app ideas with monetization angles so you can pick one and start fast. AI Software Prompt Creator. This is the real game changer. Ready-made prompts that guide AI coding tools to generate dashboards, login systems, payment systems, layouts, and more. It's like having a blueprint for your app. Software Waitlist Prompt teaches you how to validate demand before you launch with landing pages, email signups, and pre-launch messaging. Walkthrough videos. Real-time demos showing exactly how to use the prompts and build apps step by step. And as a bonus, you'll also get a free ticket to the 3-day Build Apps with AI Challenge, where you'll join live sessions to shape your idea, learn marketing strategies, and explore funding opportunities. The process is simple. Step 1. Choose an idea, either from the Niche Finder, the 50 Ideas PDF, or your own concept. Step 2. Use AI prompts. Feed them into AI coding tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Replit, or Cursor. The prompts generate the app components for you. Step 3. Customize your app. Adjust branding, colors, features, layouts, and pricing to make it unique. Step 4. Launch online. Deploy the app and connect payments so you can start collecting subscriptions. Step 5. Get customers. Use the waitlist prompts and marketing guidance to attract your first paying users. That's it. No coding, no confusion, just a guided shortcut system that helps you move from idea to execution quickly. The beauty of this system is that it doesn't just teach you how to build an app. It helps you create digital assets that can generate recurring revenue. Imagine launching a micro SaaS app, like a booking tool, invoice generator, or social media scheduler, and earning monthly income from the same customers. That's the power of SaaS, and now it's accessible to beginners like you. So if you've been sitting on an app idea, waiting for someday, this is your chance. Apps Built with AI gives you the tools, prompts, and training to finally bring that idea to life, without coding, without hiring developers, and without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description to check out Apps Built with AI today. Start building your web app, validate demand, and launch your own SaaS business faster than you ever thought possible. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this opened your eyes to how accessible app creation has become with AI. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI-powered business tips, and share this with a friend who's been dreaming about building their own app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.